Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the exact plane kit and cards. This ensures reliable testing data. Lay out the table with range bands and a wind token so you can reproduce conditions. Once done, place opponent tokens and confirm initiative order because turn sequence alters targeting windows. Make sure the maneuver ruler and maneuver dial are accessible. You will use them immediately to commit the first maneuvers. This initial setup saves time and avoids resetting mid-flight. You now run repeated test passes to evaluate handling across maneuvers. Commit moves secretly with the dial, then reveal. This preserves realism and forces consistent testing. Use the ruler to measure turns and altitude changes precisely because small offsets change firing arcs. Once moved, resolve firing arcs, apply hits, and record damage. This is how you quantify performance. Repeat with different maneuvers and wind settings to compare results. You finish by consolidating your performance logs. Note speed, hit rates, turn radii, and any stalls. Then compare successive runs to spot patterns, adjust trim or altitude settings, and run the same sequence to confirm repeatability. Once satisfied, tidy components and mark cards if needed. If things go wrong, check for simple hardware causes, misaligned ruler, loose dial, uneven table, because small physical errors produce large inconsistencies. This single troubleshooting tip saves you hours of false leads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.